Hey guys, Tom here and welcome back to another vlog on the Racing Joker channel. Today we are returning to Habibi Motorsport to finish up fixing the whole exhaust problem, and we're going to try and detail again what went wrong, how we fixed it, how well Tomai actually responded to the situation, and how helpful Subispeed was as well. So we're going to be shouting out a lot of people today. Very essential in keeping this car alive and making a lot of what this car is possible, even to this day. So yeah, we're going to fix the exhaust so that this really expensive muffler can start doing things again. I might even wash the car today or figure out a way to kind of wash off the muffler, because as you can see, can't really see the shiny titanium right now. So that's gonna have to be fixed as well. But as you guys can probably see, I am using the new camera because I've got magical Steadicam and zoom, and plus because we have this microphone, we will have good audio. I changed the microphone sensitivity. It seemed really sensitive last time, so hopefully it's better now. I don't like clipping. I like good audio quality, but I also like not having to synchronize audio in post, so hopefully I never have to do that ever again for vlogs. So anyways, let's get this car out of here and head on over to Habibi Motorsport. Oh, my GPS fell on the floor. I hate this. This falls off the windshield at certain times of the year. Ah! It's pretty loud. Oh, I don't have the garage opener. Heather stole it from me. How could she do this to me? Alright. I've put in the correct address this time. The new Habibi address, not the old one. Let's head over there. Let's go for a drive. Should probably put on my seatbelt. I don't get to enjoy that for much longer, so almost there. Haven't really had to. Well, I was about to say I wouldn't have to deal with that much fumes, but when you sit still, whew, oh, it's a bit more lethal. Still trying to figure out how to hold this camera. We have made it to Habibi Motorsport for the upteenth time. The STI is still here. We've got the 240SX, the Eclipse is still there. The Mazda Speed behind me is still here. The 2000 GT is still here. I wonder what's still inside. I'm actually quite excited. All right, let's go inside. Let's get this exhaust fixed and we'll see what else happens today. chilly around here. Great success. That went very well. Lots of cool cars in there. There's one car in there that I can't talk about. I don't really know anything about it. It's a secret. It supposedly is a McLaren. I kind of saw it in the background. Didn't look like one. I think that was just a secret, a way to cover up the secret. But it is all connected. It actually looks fitted again. Ahmed was even nice enough to tinker with the tune and try and perfect the idle, which was very nice of him. Oh God, I'm slipping. I like that Eclipse. GSX, that'd be a fun project car. I don't see them anywhere for sale though. I'd snatch one up though, most likely just to turn that into a crazy project car that I wouldn't really care about braking. I think that'd be a lot of fun. 4G63 turbo, all-wheel drive, rice it out, Need for Speed, Fast and the Furious style. What do you guys think as a first kind of channel car? Because this, to me, this kind of feels too much of a like a daily. I'll try and spruce it up as best I can, but I need something to just mess with and eventually get rid of and replace with some other silly project that I will mess with and then get rid of. Think of it kind of like daily driven exotics, where they have cars for a certain amount of time, but then they upgrade to something new. Not necessarily new, but just replace it and have like a recycle so that they can keep working through content and keep doing new things. I think that could be really cool, especially if I started out with cheaper things, because the WRX, a lot of the parts for the WRX are pretty pricey. For the Eclipse, for one, it's a classic, it's an icon, and yeah, let me know if you guys think that would be interesting. Not as much of a 240 fan, not as much of a Corolla fan or anything like that, but an Eclipse, that could be cool. That generation of Eclipse. All right, so let's start it up. Sweet. Sounds good. Because we're burning in the new part, you can smell the new exhaust. Ooh, I still need the box with the stuff for the old part, which I should have in the trunk, right? Yeah, old pipe is in there, but I need the box. Oh, I am zoomed in. All right, time to go on a little test drive back home. Let's go on an adventure. Ladies and gentlemen, the car is done. The exhaust is back in working order. I think you guys can hear me just fine. It looks like you can. It's giving me the audio levels. So now we're driving back home. I can drive with the windows up, which means I don't have to freeze my fingers off. It's apparently 45 degrees. Not ideal window down weather. Not gonna lie. But we got the part back on. We'll send a replacement in soon. I'd just like to give a shout out to Ahmed and everybody else at Habibi Motorsport. Check them out on Instagram and on Facebook. That's their main website. Best way to reach them, though, if you wanted to get work done on your car, is just to call them. And they'll always answer their phone. They work on all sorts of cars, imports like mine. They got muscle cars. They got a ton of exotics. I've seen Ferraris in there, 458 Speciales, McLarens, Lamborghinis, all sorts of awesome stuff. Porsches, a lot of Porsches, a lot of Mercedes. There is a nice looking E63 in there. They'll work on just about anything. So yeah, be sure to check them out for all that sort of stuff. They've treated me really good, and I'm sure they'll treat you guys really good, because that's just their style. Other people I should shout out are the guys at Subispeed. They are the people that I got these parts from. I ordered the Grimspeed J-pipe from them and the Tomai Extreme TI catback. 6 months ago, I received the parts and got them installed as soon as I possibly could. And the Tomai part broke 6 months later after I got it installed. Something wrong with the welds. It's apparently a known issue with Tomai exhaust parts. It's just how it is. But Subispeed immediately, you know, I sent them an email, gave them pictures, told them the story of, you know, hey, this broke. I'm pretty sure it was a product default. I'm pretty sure it was a product fault. You know, what can we do? And they immediately contacted Tomai, and a replacement part was sent, and I got it a week after I sent the email to Subispeed. So Subispeed worked fast, and Tomai also worked pretty fast, which I wasn't really expecting, but I'm very thankful for it. So shout out to everybody involved. Very awesome. Check out their websites. Check out the YouTube channels. Habibi Motorsport has a brand new YouTube channel that actually is going to be doing some very interesting things if the content on there is any kind of measurement. I'm going to switch hands. So if you go to Habibi Motorsport, be sure to let Ahmed know, and all the other guys there know that I sent you, that Tom sent you, and be sure to give them a subscribe, because they're going to be making some cool stuff. They made a video recently about the new Supra, and a couple of interesting lesser known facts about it, which is useful to know for ownership, especially if you like working on your own cars. Obviously, check out Subispeed, their Instagram and their YouTube channel, because they deal with everything that is Subaru and Toyota GT86. So BRZ, GT86, FRS, and then of course there's the WRX and the WRX STI. They're the #1 place I go to for parts that are for this. They're the #1 place I go to for parts for this Subaru, and I recommend them to you guys. If you ever check out their Instagram or their YouTube channel, let them know I sent you, please. But either way, gotta show some gratitude, because these people are all still in business, getting plenty of business, I'm sure, and it's good to say thank you for them working hard when everything is going on, because I know that they might have extra things that they have to be dealing with. So essential workers, thank you. But yeah, I am super happy and thrilled that my car is back to normal for now. I'm sure something will break at some point, but that's just how it is. In the meantime, I am saving for an APR GTC 300, a nice carbon fiber wing. I think I'm going to go with the STI wing spec, because that gives you better mounting brackets in terms of width. It's a little closer together, not on the edge of the trunk. And after that, I'm going to go to ETS and see what they have to offer in terms of intercoolers and turbo kits. We're going to be doing that. I've decided we're going to up the power. It's insane, probably a bad idea on the daily, but hey, have you read my channel name? It makes sense. So anyways, I'm going to enjoy the drive back home, and I'll see you guys when I get home.
One day later.
And there we go. The car is fixed again. It is in good working condition. Now we're on our way to saving for the wing. I'm sitting at my desk relaxing. I'm going to enjoy making some more videos with the WRX with the exhaust complete. I'm thinking about maybe making a video about returning the part and talking about the kind of the experience and kind of reflecting on my experience with Tomai, the part, the manufacturer, and seeing how they responded, and just being transparent with you guys without trying to like make it seem like I'm trying to deface Tomai, because I do have their parts on my car, so yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button, because if you like what you've seen, you'll like what I've got planned. Definitely. And yeah, take it easy, stay safe, stay healthy, keep it crazy, and I'm Tom, the Racing Joker, signing out. Bye-bye.